Alright guys, we waited till it was a little lighter. We just want to do this over the anvil. One hit.
Finger.
One hit. One hit. Sweet. That is doing exactly what I want it to. And 3 hits in it, hasn't broke yet. We'll try it again. Sweet!
Looking pretty good.
Struggling, guys. I'm struggling. Okay, one more heat, and I think we'll punch that out. I had to move you guys. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see this. Get where I can see what you can see. Maybe. There's a daylight all the way through. We're getting close.
See how you are. You make me do the hard work, but you don't ever give me the glory.
Exactly. I took the last 3 heats by myself. There you go, guys. A clean hole all the way through. And there's the plug. So now the next thing is I'm just going to drive this all the way through to round it up to that size. And then we'll maybe use our new round 1-inch punch.
Woohoo!
Alright, back to drifting this guy out. This is just about ready to go all the way through. Sweet!
So, it'll be time for the big drift.
Time for the bigger drift. Alright, now we're going to take this 1-inch.
Got the grass on fire again. See? Jordan likes catching the grass on fire.
It ain't the prettiest round hole in the middle of something, but I think it's going to work for what we're doing. Time to work to the edge.